Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some exciting news from the automotive world that could change everything we know about cars. Honda and Nissan have officially announced plans to explore a potential merger, signaling a bold move as the industry shifts toward electric vehicles. But while many are racing to embrace EVs, Honda is quietly working on something groundbreaking that could redefine the future of transportation. Imagine an engine that doesn't require petrol, doesn't need to be charged, and might even outperform electric cars. Sounds incredible, right? Honda's CEO believes this innovation could revolutionize the entire EV landscape. So, what if Honda is on the brink of unveiling a game-changing engine? This could be the twist we've all been waiting for. Before we dive into how Honda is flipping the EV world upside down, let's take a moment to appreciate the visionary behind it all, Soichiro Honda. Born in 1906, Soichiro was a hands-on dreamer, always tinkering with machines. His journey began not with flashy cars, but with piston rings for Toyota. Despite facing immense challenges, including the devastation of World War II, he never gave up. In 1946, he ingeniously attached military generator engines to bicycles, giving birth to the first Honda motorcycle. From there, Honda skyrocketed to success, proving that Japan could create machines that were tough and fast. Fast forward to today, and Honda is a global powerhouse, selling over 4 million cars annually. Their reputation for reliability and innovation is unmatched. Take the Honda Accord. For example, it's a rock star in the automotive world, known for its dependability and performance. But Honda isn't just resting on its laurels. They're always looking ahead. In the 1970s, Honda introduced the CVCC engine, a breakthrough that met strict emission standards. They were also pioneers in hybrid technology, showing that eco-friendly could still be exciting. Now, they're venturing into uncharted territory with hydrogen power. Yes, hydrogen. While others chase electric vehicles, Honda is taking a different route, aiming to create a cleaner, more efficient alternative. Electric cars have become the norm, but they come with their own set of challenges: bulky batteries, long charging times, and environmental concerns related to mining rare materials. Honda's hydrogen-powered vehicles could sidestep these issues entirely. With hydrogen, the only byproduct is water vapor, making it an incredibly clean option. Honda has already made strides in this area with the Honda Clarity fuel cell, which debuted in 2015. Although it didn't achieve the expected popularity due to limited refueling infrastructure, Honda learned valuable lessons and is now ready to make a comeback with the CR-V hydrogen SUV. This new model promises to address past challenges with longer range, improved technology, and the familiar comfort of Honda vehicles. The CR-V hydrogen SUV operates differently than traditional vehicles. Instead of needing to be plugged in, it generates electricity on the go, refueling in just 3 to 5 minutes, comparable to filling a gas tank. This means freedom and convenience for drivers, allowing for longer journeys without the anxiety of running out of power. But the CR-V hydrogen SUV isn't just about practicality, it's also packed with innovative features. It can even share its power, acting as a backup generator for your home during outages. Honda has ensured that this vehicle retains the spaciousness and comfort that families love, all while being eco-friendly. As Honda rolls out the CR-V hydrogen SUV in regions with existing hydrogen infrastructure, they're poised to make a significant impact. This strategic approach allows them to grow alongside the expanding network of hydrogen stations, making it easier for drivers to embrace this new technology. So, could Honda's hydrogen-powered CR-V outshine electric vehicles? With faster refueling times, longer ranges, and zero emissions, it's certainly a contender. While electric vehicles have their place, hydrogen offers a unique solution that addresses some of the current limitations in the market. This is an exciting time for the automotive industry, and Honda is leading the charge with innovative ideas that could reshape our understanding of clean driving. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Honda's vision for the future, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. We can't wait to bring you the next exciting update. Click that notification bell so you won't miss it. Thank you for joining us today.